Hi, my name is Mrs. Tracy, and today we are going to learn more about fractions. We are actually going to draw and label tape diagrams to make fractions. So our first example, we have 1 equals 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. All that equals 1. So if you have a ruler or a straight edge, this would definitely help you. If you do not have any of those, you can just draw your tape diagram that looks like a rectangle. So I'm going to carefully draw my tape diagram. It's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. If there are 6 pieces, you draw 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now I have 6 pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm going to label this. So I have this entire thing right here is my hole, and then each one of these is 1/6. So I have 1/6. I'm going to color in 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, and oopsie, 1/6. So right here. So now if we add those all up, it equals 1. Let's try another problem. So this time I am going to have a lower number. I am going to have 4/5 for my fraction, and my equation is going to be 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 1/5. So if I add up all the top numbers, 2, 3, 4, I get one whole, or I mean not one whole, I get 4 out of 5, and 5 is your whole. So what we're going to do is we are going to make our denominator, there's 5, so we are going to make a tape diagram with 5 boxes. So there's your tape diagram. You're going to have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try your best to make them even, but if not, it's not the end of the world. And so now I'm going to have 4/5. So 4/5 is 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4 out of 5 of these. So I'm going to label this one is my 1/5. Then I have 2/5 over here. So I'm going to bring those ones together, 2/5. And then this one right here, I'm going to color in, is 1/5. So now I have 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 4/5. That's how you draw and label tape diagrams of a fraction. We're going to try a couple more problems. The next one we have is 7/8. So we're going to have 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 1/8. What we're going to do is we're going to use our denominator to know how many boxes we have. So we're going to draw our tape diagram. If we have 8 boxes, we're going to do 7 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a little small, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I tried my best. And then remember, it's only out of 7. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw it out of 7 and label that 7/8. Then I look at my first number. I have 3. So I color in 1, 2, 3. I label it. That's 3/8. I look at my second one. 1, 2, 3. I label it. And then my last one, 1/8 is this one. I label it. And then that is how you draw a tape diagram for this equation. The last equation we are going to do is an improper fraction. So I have 11/8 equals 7/8 plus 1/8 plus 3/8. So with the improper fraction, you are going to draw as many of now the numerator instead of the denominator. So we're going to draw boxes of 11. So that means 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'm going to add one more, 10. So I should have 11 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need one more, 11. And we are going to have, so 11/8. So what you're going to do is first draw your 7/8. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then you're going to label it 7/8. Then you're going to draw your 1/8. Then you are going to color in 1, 2, 3. So you have 3/8. And so this whole thing represents our 11/8. Go ahead and give it a try.